Hi, my name is Basret and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at a very common error that occurs in JavaScript codebases out there, especially those written by beginners, and how a TypeScript compiler flag can prevent this error from occurring in your codebase. Let's go. This error is extremely common, especially in React codebases, where people start off with a simple component. At this point, this component is actually perfectly fine. So if I go ahead and log out a result of an example function call, you will see that it does return something that React can understand. However, as a matter of refactoring, people will go ahead and write something like this just to make the code look a bit prettier. However, you can see that it actually returns undefined at this point. What is actually happening is that this is passed as two statements. So there is actually a return statement followed by an expression that does nothing. And this expression is actually unreachable. This thing is called automatic semicolon insertion, or ASI for short. You can prevent this by actually wrapping up the expression in parentheses, allowing the expression to span multiple lines, turning this whole thing into a single statement. Now let's go back to the example that doesn't work and move it to TypeScript. The default behavior of TypeScript is actually not to fail the build, so we don't see any problems in the problems panel. However, within the IDE, it is highlighted as unreachable code. Ideally, you would actually want the build to fail and problems to show up on the problems panel. In order to do that, we can go to the tsconfig and enable the option allow unreachable code set to false. So it's no longer allowed, and now you will see that this will show up as a problem and highlighted a bit more aggressively within the IDE, and you can easily fix this the same way you would do in a normal JavaScript codebase. Allow unreachable code is another one of those options that you should definitely set and specify to false within your tsconfig.json. Allow unreachable code is just another one of those options that have traditionally been considered a part of a linting environment, and thinking of TypeScript as an extremely powerful type-aware linter is not a bad mental model to have. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with your friends, leave a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Take care, bye.